Yes, I'm Martin Tophoorn. I'm a neurologist from Leiden University Medical Center in the Netherlands. I was trained as a neurologist, but became interested for my clinical research in oncology in patients with brain tumors. So I also became involved with the ERTC, dealing with brain tumor patients in clinical trials, and as such I became involved in the SISAQOL project. Now, for the SISAQOL project, I was asked to be the academic lead for Work Package 5, which is on the external validation of the results of the other work packages. And for me, this is something completely new, because as a clinician, I have for sure experience with clinical trials, but not so much on methodology and statistics. And as such, it was very important for me to have a second lead, co-lead, which is Paul Sislo from pharmacy, and also Linda Deerven, one of the co-workers in Leiden University. She's a methodologist, and she's actually carrying out much of the work that's been done for Work Package 5. Yes, the purpose of Work Package 5 is, by definition, validation of the results that we get from the other work packages. And validation is something I see as something that we say, is it really going to work now that we have developed all this? Is it going to work in the outer world? Can it be used by people from different backgrounds, be it clinicians, be it methodologists, be it the people from the EMA and the FDA, that they can really use it and will use it in the future. And that's, I think, the important thing, that as the validation part, we hope to bring it to the level that it indeed will be used. And so we had to do the preparation of the validation, which is to find people outside of the SISAQOL project to help us in the validation, and then people from the different backgrounds, as I described, clinicians, methodologists, regulators, pharma business, to help us in do what we called a sort of blind review of everything that has been developed by the work packages. Second, we would need clinical trials that have been carried out with health-related quality of life as an important outcome. And we can use these clinical trials to write a study protocol and a statistical analysis plan, and also the visualization of the results, to give the blind members a sort of background what the trial is about. And we should give the blind members also the recommendations that we have developed. And we would ask them, please provide us with the full study protocol, please provide us with the full statistical analysis plan, and how you should present the results in the end. So that's what actually is going to be done by the blind members. Validation is a critical part of, I think, any development of new instruments or modules or whatever, and for sure also for SISAQOL. And there are different parts of validation, and the external validation, as we're doing this with blind members who are not directly connected with the development of this, is an important point, but we do have other ways of validating this. I think that validation is important for the acceptance to the outer world, to see that what we are going to use is really reliable, we can trust, and we think is worthwhile.